And then people forgot to pick up after their trash. We're just chilling at the mills today. There go my old manager. Hey, best friend. And we bought our tortas, our tacos. All I brought was water.
A horchata.
A whore and a chata.
Way back.
Welcome back to, I was gonna say our channel. Welcome back to my channel. Sorry if I look like a clown right now. Jenny inspired me. Our plan is to chill, have a picnic here. Then we're gonna go get our nails done. Oh, I didn't bring my tripod. Man versus wild. This is what's happening.
Yeah.
They didn't even tell me to bring shoes.
I brought
Look
the
at me.
most fucked up shoes I could find.
I brought the most fucked up person I could find. We're gonna enjoy a little picnic. We got a hammock set up, even though she's the only one that's gonna use it. Cause I feel like if I get on that, that tree's just gonna push into the river. It's like this is all chemicals and I die. Like,
I'm gonna break this fucking glass, I guarantee it.
I don't know what I found, but this looks creepy. It's like a cute little hut. Let me show y'all. Look how cute that is. I'm scared some animals in there, but oh my god, that's so cute. All close to the river and everything. Oh my god. And then a little bonfire. We should come back at night. Why are you laughing? What? I'm gonna pause. I'm gonna get hungry. Wait, I am hungry. I'm gonna pause. I'm gonna go eat.
So you just cutting bread?
You wanna try it? It's usually like a loaf. I love tortas. Oh, a butterfly.
I don't know what the fuck that was.
So peaceful. This bitch got a huge burrito.
I didn't think it was gonna be that big. I mean, granted, it is called like the jumbo burrito.
Hey, that's good money spent. How much was it?
It was like 11 something.
It's recording.
Is it? Oh, I'm nervous.
So cute the way you're sitting like a little kid. Like,
I don't know. I'm nervous. What should I talk about?
whatever you
The
want.
way I'm holding this.
My eyelash hit my eye.
Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel.
Excuse me?
Oh my god, look at Linda. Oh wait, I don't know if I'm recording right.
Like that?
Look at Linda. She's me.
She looked like she woke up from a nap. I love it.
I can't hear it.
Me neither. She says who wants to bring her tacos, not it.
Not it?
No, I'm scared.
Sit right back here.
I'm scared it'll tip.
I promise you it's not gonna fall.
It's gonna London fall down. Oh my god, it's sunshiny. That fucking trip. It feels so good to be home. Are you guys able to skip rocks? How do you do it? Okay. It's like, I don't know, I do it. Did you see that? I'm just kidding. I like these rocks, they're so flat. So hot now, I'm ready to go. Tanya, where are you? Linda's asking.
She's home. I asked her if she wanted to come.
What'd she say?
She said she had to take her mom grocery shopping and that she texted me. Can you tell her what I just said?
She says she went grocery shopping. You said so much.
I know.
What? What?
You were like, you said so much shit and I just said, well.
Sorry. Wait, how do you get in?
Literally just any way you want.
Imagine she's like, imagine I just.
Oh my god.
Am I in yet? She ends up in the water.
And this thing is... These bugs is real out here.
Oh my god. There. Oh, I love it in here. Thanks, Cheyenne. It's so peaceful, guys. Oh, this bitch has to ruin my peace.
Come on. Wanna walk the trail?
You said walk? It's just so peaceful. Like, y'all need to buy a hammock. I feel like that's one way to relieve stress, honestly. I have a fat face. Oh my god. Anyways. I love it. I did okay for my makeup. Shout out to Jenny from the block helping. I got a big nose though, but it's okay. Let's see what I'm gonna show y'all my view. Trees. Oh my god, if a squirrel comes down on me, that's the end. Like, this is the last vlog I'll ever post. Like, so sorry guys. That's just how it's gonna end. Look at them. Where Jenny at? Big tree in the way. Move. Yeah, the Mills is the move for today. And then I can't wait to get blue nails or orange. Like, I did a poll. Thank you guys for who voted. Hopefully, I don't know, let's see what wins. I'll do whatever wins. I want to know, would you guys like be down to see a vlog where you guys just control my life?
Oh my god, Linda.
Got our nails done. Let me show you Cheyenne's. Cheyenne, if you will. Look at that. Ew. Look at that. Ooh. Highlighters. Highlights. I love it. They're so cute.
Happy study, bitch.
And then I'm just basic. But I love it.
So good too.
The man did really good. Shout out to Henson. What was it? V-Nails?
Yeah.
At V-Nails. At Roswell, just saying.